Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is October the 29th. It's currently 4:55, and I know I don't look like how I normally do. Not really my face, but more my hair. Okay, so right now my hair is in like a bun because I'm about to go get it done for the first time in like forever. I haven't got my hair professionally done by like a hairstylist in years, since I was probably in high school, but early high school days. So it's probably been about 8 or 9 years since I've got my hair done. So right now I'm about to show y'all the hair that I have. This video is in partnership with Mayvenn hair, so I'm going to be going to get my hair done by one of their professional stylists, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So give me a okay guys, really quickly before I leave for my appointment, this is what came in the package. Just like a little maintenance hair kit, and like it talks about their different hair texture types, how to co-wash it, just like maintenance and stuff like that. And then you guys, the bundles and a little closure or whatever came in separate packaging. Super cute. Y'all know I love black. The packaging is black and lavender, and then it has like a little tag, and it tells you exactly what hair you have. So this is the Brazilian loose wave lace closure, and I'm doing it in the shade caramel brown. And then these are the 3 bundles. So that's the hair, you guys. I'm about to get in the car and make my way to the salon. Okay guys, so I just got here. I'm about to get out of the car and go in, and let's see how this goes. You guys, this is so nice. She does hair. She changed it into like a little RV. This is so cute. Snacks and everything. Okay, TV. Okay guys, so she was braiding me down. She put the cap part underneath the lace so that it would look like, you know, your scalp or whatever. I did end up going in and plucking my baby hair some more a few days later, and I added some foundation to the hairline just because it wasn't as like crisp as I like to wear mine, as far as like the part in the middle of the head. So I did add a little bit of foundation and some powder to that just to give it a more natural look, because y'all know closures and stuff can easily look a little wiggy. So I did that, and when I recurled my hair, I did more of a loose curl than what she did. So that's how my hair ended up turning out. Later on in the video, you guys will see the finished product after I did my own touches to it. But definitely, if you're someone who you don't know how to do your hair, definitely go get your hair done by Mayvenn. They pay for it when you purchase 3 bundles. And yeah, it was overall a really good experience. So check them out. All the information will be down below in the description box. Hey y'all, so I just got home, and this is what my hair is looking like. She's chocolate brown. But yeah, in the morning I think I'm either going to recurl it or like straighten it, just because y'all know how it is. Curls be dropping and stuff, so it don't be like how it is when you first get it done. So I'm probably either gonna straighten it or recurl it. I'm not sure, but this is so weird having something attached to my head that I can't take off, because I'm so used to taking my stuff off at night before I go to bed. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, it's been a couple of days and I just want to come back and show you guys the final results with my hair. It's giving very much Real Housewives. I feel like I look like a housewife. Very much not my normal look. Y'all know I normally wear my hair either like long and dark. So this is just like a different vibe. But you know, it's really cute. It's really cute, really different. I definitely feel like I look a little bit older, but it's cute. So this is the caramel brown closure and bundles. I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. The links, my coupon code and everything will be down there. As well as I will leave the stylist information. She was such a sweetheart, y'all. So sweet, love her. But yeah, you guys, this is my hair. It's been about 3 or 4 days or something like that since I got it done. Maybe 5 days. But yeah, it's cute. She cut it in like some layers and stuff, but yeah, y'all, this is the look. Super cute. I definitely enjoy getting my hair done by somebody else for a change, because y'all know I normally do my own hair and stuff. So it was actually a really good experience. So when you purchase hair with Mayvenn, you do get to get your hair done for free. They pay for you to get your hair done. I think it's when you buy 3 bundles, when you purchase 3 bundles, they'll pay for you to get your hair done by one of their stylists. So yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box for all of the product information, links, coupon codes, and everything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.